Hey there, we just got done watching the Amazon original series Fallout. This is 8 episodes. Each episode is around an hour long and came out this year, 2024. It is rated TV mature audiences. This series is based on the game Fallout, and that series, if you're not familiar with the game, it's basically about a fallout shelter during nuclear war, and people go into a fallout shelter that has been pre-designed by corporations, big corporates, and sold all these fallout shelters for communities and stuff to yada yada yada. And yeah, that's the generalized premise. There's a lot of violence in this series, a lot of foul language and smoking and stuff like that.
All the good stuff.
All the good stuff, huh? Yeah, it has a really good pace. There's dark humor in it. It's classified as an action adventure. Yeah, it's pretty much following the stories of how it all transpired, and then the peoples whose lives are affected by the fallout and the fallout shelters. Yeah, I was really surprised how much I enjoyed it. Sometimes this type of genre sometimes doesn't resonate with me, but I really did enjoy it. I thought the characters were great. I thought the casting was phenomenal. I really like who they picked for each person. We watched this 8 episodes in 2 days time. It was really hard not to binge watch it, just because it really keeps you wanting more to know, what else is going to happen. It's definitely putting the puzzle pieces together. There will definitely be a second season because it really left with so many unanswered questions, more unanswered questions than answered questions, in my opinion. Certainly worth watching. If you've seen it or started it, let me know what you think of it so far. Please try not to do any spoilers in the comment section, though, for those who haven't seen it yet.
And you enjoyed it.
We don't want to ruin it for anybody.
And you enjoyed it thoroughly, even though you haven't played the video games.
That's what I just got done saying. I wasn't expecting to enjoy it as much, but yeah,
but
it's really good.
I've played the video games all the way from at least the Fallout 3 to the current, and yeah, I already love the whole
For a series, I would say I would give this a solid 4 out of 5 stars.
Oh yeah, solid
easy,
4.
yeah. And I'm excited to see what happens in the future with future seasons, and hopefully this is a series that'll run for a while. It is on Amazon. I will put a link below to it. Check it out. And if you don't think that you would like this kind of thing, maybe try the first episode, or at least part of the first episode, and if it doesn't grab you after that, then it's definitely not for you. But you might get surprised very much like I did. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.